क्लास 10 में रियल नंबर्स exercise 1.1 NCERT book. That day I did sums from R.S. Agarwal book. One exercise is finished there, but some new sums are here, so I am doing with exercise 1.1 NCERT book. Chapter 1 NCERT book. Question 1 is SCF. To find SCF of two numbers, that is already been done with R.S. Agarwal book. So you do yourself question 1. I am doing question 2. Simply I shall discuss variant question which were not included in that exercise 1A of R.S. Agarwal. So second question is, so that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1. To show that every odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and or 6q plus 5. So remember, odd integers are what? Odd integers are odd positive integers. Here odd positive is written. All odd positive integers are 1, 3, 5, 7, then 9, 11, 13. With difference of 2, these are odd positive integers. 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. Likewise, with two difference, you can proceed up to 100, 1000 or lakhs. These are odd positive integers. So here we have to prove or to show that all are of that kind. So here to prove this, let any integer is of the form. Here you can put value of q, where q is any element of integer. Q is some integer. So q is integer, so it may be of the q, maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, or any number. Even general number can also be taken, but I am taking example 1, 2, 3 likewise. So if q is 0, if q is 0, then numbers will come from first 1, from second 3 will come, and from third 5 will come, because q is 0. 6q plus 5, 6 into 0 plus 5, that is 5. So by these numbers which are given in question 2, if q is 0, because q is an integer, maybe negative also, I shall show by negative numbers also, maybe 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 likewise, but it wants positive integers, so we have to take positive, otherwise the negative integers will come, but it wants so that any positive odd integer is of the form this. So we shall exclude from here negative sign. 1, 2, 3, 0, these three will be taken. So by taking q 0, now come next. If q is 1, then numbers will be 6q. 6 into 1 plus 1, that is 7. If from second it becomes 6 plus 3, that is 9, and then from third 6 into 1 plus 5, that is 11. When q is 2, likewise, then it is 13, then 15, and then 17. Likewise. So you can show that thus by taking the value q 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, likewise we are getting integers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and so on. Continuously they are coming. So it is proved that any positive odd integer is of the form this. Question 2 is this. So this question is over. Try to understand. No need. Therefore, these integers, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and so on. All positive odd integers are coming one by one and will come up to infinite numbers. Then question 3 of NCERT, because I thought we have done from R.S. Agrawal book, but NCERT is our best book, so that should not be excluded. Third question, an army contingent of 616, that is 616 members, is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So here should be band has 32 members and army contingent has 616 members. Two numbers are there, 616 and 32. So there should be equal columns. Columns are this way, means number of members in the front row must be same. So we shall calculate SCF of the two numbers. SCF of 32 and 16 will come how much? So we can use 32 is how much? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. This prime factorization method will be best. And 616, let us see how many times it gives to the thing will be clear. 616 is divisible by 4, so 2 will come automatically. It becomes 308, 2, it becomes 1, 5 and 4. Again 2 comes, it becomes 7 and 7. Now 77 has no 2's. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 11. SCF is what? SCF is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So it wants two groups are to march in same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So maximum number of columns is 8. 8 columns will be there. Band will have 4 rows of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 8. Behind them one more becomes 16. Behind them one more becomes 23. And behind them one more row that becomes 32. And behind that there will be columns of the army contingent which has 616, and in 8 columns they will march. So when 616 is divided by 8, it comes 77, and behind these 77 rows of the army contingent will come. This is a practical question, and these questions were some different from R.S. Agrawal book, so I thought I should complete these new sums so that the students can understand the variation in the units. Number 4. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Square of any number. 4. Question 4 of exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1 5 questions are here. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive number. So any positive integer can be of the form 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2 or 3q plus 3, like this. And if we square them, 3q plus 1, this whole square becomes 9q square plus 2 into 3q into 3, that is 6q, and plus 1. By taking 3 common in these two terms, we have 3q square plus 2q and plus 1, that is 3m plus 1. It is this 3 options are given, 3m or 3m plus 1, 2 options are given. So this is 3m plus 1. Let us take the another one. 1, 2, 3 are coming by taking 0. By taking 1, then 4, 5, 6 will come. So positive square of any positive integers. Okay. So I am taking 3q plus 2 square, which is another number. It becomes 9q square plus 3 to the 6 to the 12q and plus 4. It is 4 becomes 3 plus 1. By taking 3 common, 3q square plus 4q plus 1 and plus 1, it is also again of the order basis, 3m plus 1, where m is any integer. Likewise, for that one, for 3 also, we shall find 3m plus 1, but here gives 3m also. So numbers which are multiple of 3, see here, next one, 3q plus 3, it is multiple of 3, this whole square is 9q square plus 3 is 9 to the 18q and plus 9. By taking here 9 common, we have q square plus 2q plus 1, it is 3 into 3 into q square plus 2q plus 1, which is 3 into m, where m may be 3 into that much. So we have proved here in fourth, 3q is also taken here. 3q can also be taken, 3q plus 3q plus 3, it is actually 3q, can be taken as 3q. So it is 9q square, so it becomes 3 into, then also this can be taken this way. It is in case of 3q plus 3 or 3q is same. So it is your fourth question. Now let us do fifth question, and this exercise will be finished completely along with exercise 1A of addition. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m. So here in question 5, let positive integers of form 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2, like this. Then by cubing, we shall use 3q cube is equal to 27q cube, which is of the form 9 into 3q cube, that is 9m. Second is 9m plus 1. This is 3q plus 1 whole cube is equal to 27q cube plus 1 cube, that is 1, plus 3 into 3 cube, that is into 3q into 3q plus 1, that becomes 27q plus 1 plus 27q square plus 9q. 9. By taking one that way, 1 is replaced from here, a gap of years, make it plus. If 9 is taken common, it becomes 3q cube plus 3q square plus q and plus 1, so it becomes 9m plus 1, the second thing. And similarly, by taking the third one, we shall get 9m plus 8. If you do here, I am doing here, whether it comes in the video or not, no more space is there. So let us rub the first. By rubbing the first, we have 3q plus 2 whole cube is equal to, I am writing directly, 27q plus 8 will come here plus 3 into 3q square. So 27q square into 2 means 54q square and plus 3 into 3q, that is 9q into 4, that is 36q. This will come. If take 9 here, then 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q and plus 8, which becomes 9 plus 8. Thus we have proved that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 likewise. You can do number 2 also by this method. Odd for odd positive integers, for odd positive integers you can take 2m plus 1 or 2m minus 1 likewise, and you can proceed there. But so we have finished this exercise 1.1 along with exercise 1.1a of R.S. Agrawal. So from both books we have finished one exercises, and you try to do these things. If any problem arises,